Hello guys, welcome back to the new vlog. As per Wednesday timetable, today we have workshop Block 4 NIT Mizoram. After reaching Block 4 successfully, today we are going to be do fitting experiment in workshop lab. When our teacher is out of the class.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
We started preparing the experiment with some instruments and with some cutting machines. Let's see how we perform our workshop lab experiment today. After completing our experiment, let's see our final result also. I hope if you like this video, you will like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more videos. Thank you.